Are you all out of those, or do you want me to just get those for you today? Right? And you could do it that way, or you could do it backwards. I think backwards is a little better. So you say, hey, it looks like your BCAAs, or it looks like your multis, or whatever it is. It looks like you should be all out. Are you pretty much running out? Did you need me to get those for you today? Or did you need to order another one of those today? Are you almost running out? Right? The reason you ask 2 questions is because one of those is going to be a yes. The one that you know is going to be yes should be on the tail end. That usually means it's going to be yes for both. Yeah. If you just ask one question and you say, hey, it looks like you should be running out of your multivitamin. Did you want me to just get you another bottle? You might hear people say, oh, I still got some left, or I'll do it in the next one. Okay? But the psychology of the 2 question, it's crazy. I do it with my kids. Hey, Julian, can you take the trash out? Oh, and remember to close the door behind you. Can you do that? Yes. Okay. Now he's taking the trash out. As opposed to, Julian, can you take the trash out? Oh, can I do it later? Right? Yeah. But he can remember to close the door behind him. So he says yes to that. Naturally, he's doing both. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So you've got to find a way to work in that system. Also, you've got to find a way to make the person want to take the supplements. But you've got to build value around the supplements, and you have to hold them accountable. People actually enjoy being challenged. That's why everyone's naturally competitive in a board game. Everyone. Even the people that aren't competitive in a board game, they actually are. They just hate losing publicly, and therefore they won't look. But in reality, like, you guys have all played board games, right? You guys have all played board. Like, come on, you all care if you win. And you know how you know if you care if you win, because all of a sudden you start winning, you feel better. Yeah, 100%. Right? So when they say it's not, the whole phrase, it's, it doesn't matter if you win or lose, it's if you have fun playing the game. I have a lot more fun winning. So if it's about having fun, then let's win, because that's more fun. So you have to tie all that in. And so when I'm talking to you, if you're my client, I should, if you come in and let's say you're selling BCAAs, I believe you're selling that, right? Which is your during your workout supplement. You're taking that during your workout. If you come in and you don't have a tumbler with you, I'm going to call you out on it. And now I'm going to use that as a tool to call you out on everything else as well. So what was your name again?
Justin.
Hey, Justin, where's your tumbler today? Where's your branch chain?
Left it at home.
My man, what's going on? When are you supposed to take those?
I usually would take them intro workout because it prevents muscle breakdown.
So why didn't you bring it with you today?
I just forgot.
We're about to work out. Okay, here's the deal. If I call you out on it today, which I just did, so that's already past tense, can you bring it with you next time?
Yeah, I'll make
100%?
Yeah, I'll make sure.
Okay, now, should I also assume that you're forgetting to take all your other supplements? Is it safe?
I would assume.
Okay. What do I have to do to be a better trainer in order to make sure you take them?
Reminders.
Okay, so I have to do that? Okay, so like I just did. So now what? Is there anything else I can do, or you got it from here?
So possibly maybe send text out to that person?
No. Don't talk in second person. We're role playing right now.
Okay.
So you're a real client of mine. I'm a trainer. So I'm not quizzing you. Yeah. We're role playing. Okay. So now I say, hey man, is there anything else I can do to help you, or you got it from here?
I'm going to try the best I can to do it myself.
Okay, hey, real quick, got a question for you. If you were at the end of a game, you're a coach, okay? I'm just putting you through this for a reason. You're my client. I want to make sure you understand what winning is here, right? Yeah. If you're a coach at the end of a basketball game, you got one shot left to win the game. This is it. And you got 2 players you can typically count on. And one tells you, Coach, I'm going to try my best to make that shot. And the other one says, give me the ball. I'm going to make the shot. Which one do you want to give the ball to?
Give me the ball.
Give me the ball. So which one do you want to tell me? I'm going to try my best to take the supplement, or I'm going to take the supplements?
I'm going to take the supplement.
All right, there we go, my man. Let's keep doing that, okay? And little things like that, they tie that to winning. They feel good, right? The right client feels great at that moment, right? Because they just realize people like to commit to things. The only reason people don't like to commit to things is not because they don't like to commit, it's because they have fear of failing. That's different. It's not that